This video will serve as an introduction to the synthesis timed writing, which is question number 1 on your AP English Language and Composition exam. It will also serve to give you directions for our task, our e-learning task on December 11th and 14th. So, we have looked at question number 2, the rhetorical analysis essay, which is the Kennedy, the Thatcher, the Albright. We have looked at question number 3 now, which is the open-ended / argumentative timed writing, which dealt with an issue. It's the very back page of any exam link that you've opened. For both of those, you have had to scroll through 9 or 10 pages of material. And those 9 or 10 pages belong to question number 1, which is the synthesis timed writing. And that's what we're going to work on today and Monday and probably Tuesday and Wednesday as well. So, the very first page of the synthesis essay has 3 paragraphs on it. So you should stop this video right now, and I suggest going to your agenda on Echo and opening up the 2019 prompt, and 2019 exam, and going to the very first page. It will say question number 1 at the top. So go ahead and do that. So hopefully you're there now, and you'll see those 3 paragraphs. Okay, they're all pretty short, maybe about that much text. The first paragraph is going to be the issue. The issue for 2019 was alternative energies, so non-traditional energies. Traditional energies would be oil, coal, natural gas, things like that. Non-traditional energies in this case are defined as wind farms. The second paragraph is the task. The second paragraph is telling you what you will be writing your essay about. And the third paragraph is the directions. These paragraphs will always be laid out in the same way. The first paragraph will always give you just a little bit of background on the issue. The second paragraph will always give you the task. And the third paragraph will actually always be worded exactly the same. So the third paragraph that you're looking at on 2019 will mirror every third paragraph that you look at on the assignment for today. What you're going to do is you're going to fill out a grid for 5 synthesis prompts. I will fill out the 2019 for you, so you will have 4 to do. You're going to tell me what the issue is for each of the prompts, but obviously I don't want you to have to read 5 years worth of evidence, because that's what follows. Sources, the source A, the source B, the source C, the source D, the source E, and the source F, are all sources that you could use on the synthesis essay. If you look at the third paragraph on page 1, you're only required to use 3. Now, this should sound a little bit familiar if you've had AP US or AP World or AP Euro, because they have something called a DBQ, document-based question. There we go, the Q. And I think that on their exam, you have to use almost all of the sources, all of the documents, but we do not. We only need to use 3, and it's always 3, as delineated by the third paragraph. So I don't want you to have to read all of the sources for all of the prompts. So you're going to tell me the issue in each of them, because that won't take you very long to do, and then choose any one of them, and I've got a task for you to do with the evidence, but you will only do that with one. So the issue, I want it for every single one, but the evidence, the sources, you will only deal with one of the prompts. You pick, I don't care which one.